Hello, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining. So this is going to be a collaboration with miniscenesgbhank and YouTubers United for International Day of Friendship. I have just left whatever was on the stick, and I've used this one here. It's a chameleon pigment paste and it's from Demolding. And I'm using Istoyo 1:1 resin. And when you're using these paints, you really have to mix and mix and mix and mix, because as you can see, they tend to leave streaks. Can you see the streak in there? You really have to make sure that they're very well mixed that way. All right, so to that I'm going to add, because it tends to be more into the grays color, that color. So I add a few drops of blue, and this one here is from Harry and Wilma, and it comes in a set of 24. And this one is the Azure. Can you see the difference it gives? How it's become really vibrant. But it's very transparent. So what I do is I also add a little bit of blue mica powder to it. Not much, just a little bit, maybe more than that. 2 of these tiny spoons. Yep, that's for the blue. Now the white, I am going to use Bloom from Pouring Your Heart Out. And I've got 15 grams on both of them. Because you wanted to know how many grams I had. So this is 3 drops. And this is the Webb effect. Okay, so I'm going to start. I usually start with the color. A very big thank you to all of my subscribers and everyone that supports my channel. I love you all to bits. I hope I don't get my head on the way. Make sure to watch all the other very talented artists in this collaboration. I will have a link in the description. And thank you to Tracey from miniscenesgbhank for organizing the collab. And now I will add a little bit of the clear, a bit of the clear, and start with the white. Now I will pour the rest of the clear to push everything. I am going to add a little bit of glitter in here. I had just a tiny bit of resin in here. I think that will do it. Now, I'll add some more white. Because it is a very dark blue. So I thought I should add a little bit more white to it. All right, I think that's the end of the white. I'll do another little push. And always be careful that you don't overfill it. Hopefully that's the middle. And now, having done that, I'm gonna go just tiny little bit I had left over here. I'll leave it at that, I think. I'm just gonna go take out some bubbles. And that's it. All right, I will be back when it's time to demold. Bye for now. Okay, let's have a look how this came out. that is so pretty. It's quite dark, but very pretty. Different, isn't it, from the usual pinks that I do. Oh, I'm really pleased with that. And the leftover, I did these little butterflies. Okay. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us. Resin.